We're going to be building an armoire today. So the first thing that we would do is take our face frame, dado it out, and start by placing it face down on the table. Then we're going to grab our materials that we need, starting with our sides and our shelves, and lay them out on the face frame. Once you have everything laid out in the place that it's going to be installed, apply the glue on the dados and on the shelf areas where the face frame is going to meet the shelf. Then we're going to install the sides, starting with one side first and your top shelf. Align them to where they need to be and tack them into place. Once we get the first shelf installed, we're going to install the other two remaining ones and follow that by placing the second side in place. Adjust as needed, and then we're going to nail it into place so that everything's secure. Put several tacks using a jig into the shelf and the sides of the face frame so that you can hold your sides in place, and then rotate the armoire as a whole over. Continue to install your shelves and use a jig to place everything properly. After that, we're going to install nailers for the back. Glue and nail these in place. They go directly underneath the shelves. Then we're going to wipe any extra glue away so that nothing is in the way or it doesn't sit properly. Add putty to the nail holes so that you can cover them and stain them. Then we're going to place the back onto it in position where it would go so that we can add our nail guidelines. Then you apply glue to the nailers and the sides and put your back into position. Once you have it in the proper position, continue to nail everything in place along your guidelines and along the sides of the back where the sides and the back meet. Then we're going to install the drawer slide rails. You glue and nail these in place. You have one in the center and one on each side. After the slides are installed, we're going to install braces in the corners on the bottom of the armoire and cover them with feet as well. Once you have assembled it, you then sand and stain it. After the staining is done, you then spray it with a lacquer coat and assemble and apply all hardware and doors as well as drawers. At this point, you have now completed your armoire and can use it as desired. Thank you for participating in this with us, and I hope that you enjoy what you saw.